Feels like so long since I've last done one, but it's time for an art snacks plus unboxing. I hope you brought your appetite. Get it? Because snacks, it's a hilarious joke. So if you want to get your own mystery art supply box, there is a link in the description. You can help this channel out, get a discount, get some mystery art supplies. So how can I make this box a little more exciting to film? Well, my friend gave me a really good idea to use the art supplies to create an illustration as we go. So instead of taking everything out, seeing how they work and creating something, I say we just take things out and build upon an illustration as we go. So let's see what we have right away. Oh, we have a very creepy child staring at us. We have some Bristol paper, which is good. This is a perfect start if we are going to draw as we go. So we have some Bristol paper and we're just gonna see what happens. We're just going to draw as we go. So here we go. Let's take out our, I love this, our bubble wrap mailer. Inside our bubble mailer, we have our Smarties candy pudding snack and art snack. It's a Smarties, you guys know what's up. And if you're Canadian, this is, what is it? A rocket? So the first thing I see here is the Kuretake Zig Bimoji Fude brush pen. So thankfully we have a liner right off the bat. So let's, is there a pencil? Can I sketch? Uh-oh. So I guess we're just going to jump right into the line art and see if we can't come up with something good. No sketching, no erasing. That's the challenge. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm just so scared. Here we go. Oh geez, oh gosh. Okay. This is going to be very sad if there's an art supply in here that does not work well with this pen. So say if the pen isn't waterproof and we get watercolors. That's going to be unfortunate because things are not going to work well. Okay, what's our character going to be doing? I think she should be walking her dog. So let's draw a dog down here. Oh gosh, no sketching? Really? Okay, that's fine. So I've always been the kind of artist where I really have to build upon my art to make it look good. So I can't just sit down and draw something in one go. I have to sketch and build upon the layers and rework it. It still doesn't look good. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. I know a lot of people can just sit down and draw something amazing just in one go, straight from pen, no sketching. But that's never been me, and honestly, that's been all right. I'm not mad about it. Everyone's different. But when it comes to challenges like this, and obviously I did put myself into this situation, it makes me a little nervous because I know I'm not going to do my best. We're gonna get through it. This dog needs a nose. I do like that you can get a variety of strokes with this pen. I can do really thick line art, or I can do small little hairy details for our dog. It's nice to have that variety. As usual, I should really be looking up a reference for a dog, but I'm not. So here we go. We have our super accurate doggy, and it's only going to get worse when I do the front legs. Oh my gosh. Wait, what if I made her a robot? Okay, hear me out, you guys. Hold on. What if I made her into a robot? It's the year 3030, and we have gotten rid of our stupid bodies. Who needs bodies when you can run on solar power when you're a robot? I think I've just decided that mystery unboxing art supplies are just going to be a way for me to get familiar with different and weird art supplies. And then my other videos, I do actual art and like make things I like and be serious. But these unboxing videos are just a way for me to be silly and goofy and just have fun with art and not worry about making a masterpiece. What? Why does she have like... Is she gonna unscrew things with her hands? Like, what is happening here? I wish I gave her a more robotic head. Can we give her an antenna? Okay, I think I will leave our background for our other supplies, so let's grab something else at random. Next up we have our Tombow Mono drawing pencil. Would have been great if we grabbed our pencil right off the bat, but we didn't, so I'm going to use our pencil to create I guess, a grayscale illustration because I'm really not sure what else is in this box. So, you know, we're just gonna see what happens. Maybe add some texture, some value. I don't know, we'll see. I don't normally draw with a pencil, so it's actually really interesting to see what I can achieve with the black and white drawing and the textures of a pencil. So who knows, this might be a fun and interesting challenge. I do really like the way the grayscale illustration is turning out with the pencil, but I do want to leave some room for our other supplies. But before I move on, I do want to sketch a background because I have a pencil. I want to do some sketching before I regret it. Moving on to our next supply, we have the Marabou Art Crayon, which looks really similar to the watercolor creams I tried out recently. This time we don't have any, oh my gosh, brushes to water it down and create a gradient, so we're just gonna jump right in by applying it directly to the paper. It's so smooth and buttery. I love the way it feels. I'm just not sure about the way it looks. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm rubbing a stick of butter on the paper. Actually, you know what? I kind of want to play around with the texture of the background, so we're gonna get crazy. We're gonna get experimental and crazy. Instead of going for a smooth rendered look, I'm going to try for a very textured look. More playful and experimental. The way I'm coloring plus the black and white just makes this look like a coloring page that a child did, but it's really fun and silly. I do really enjoy the texture and the feel of this product. I just think maybe it's personally something that I would do for more abstract art and experimental stuff. Not necessarily something that I could really see myself using on a day-to-day basis with my art, which I obviously discovered when I made that video on watercolor creams. This just seriously looks like a kid's coloring book. It's kind of cute and charming. Should I give her a little bit of blush? Oh, I'm scared. I kind of just want to give her a little bit of color on her skin here. And for whatever reason, I really want to give her faded hair. Let's see how lightly. It looks like a crayon. It's pretty cute. Okay, so this is what we needed earlier. This is the KINGART Original Gold 9300 Series Golden Taklon Brush Shader Size 10. Now we can actually go through and add water to, I don't know, we'll see what we'll do. And again, I hope the line art isn't affected. Oh no, the brush pen liner is definitely not waterproof. We're gonna have to work very calmly, very carefully. And also proof that I did not calculate which items to pick up at which time and that they are completely random, because why would I do this to myself? So our line art is melting away. Thankfully not too bad, as long as I go very gently around it. It shouldn't melt away too bad. Okay, I'm just going to stop there because I feel like our line art is at a lot of risk of falling apart, and I don't want that. Okay, moving on to our next art supplies. What is this? We have Cinnalyre Abstract Acrylic 3D Liner. Okay, what are we going to use that for? Okay, am I just going to jump right in? Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, okay. How many times am I going to say oh my gosh? I'm just very scared. Wow, what an odd combination of art supplies. Okay, here we go. Oh, how hard do I have to squeeze? Okay, here we go. Wow, this is giving me elementary school project vibes, like specifically painting on t-shirts with a sort of material similar to this. This is such a strange project. Let's also fill in her red antenna. My hand is not like squeezing them. Oh, it's just a very sad hand. Oh my goodness, what? The inconsistency of the squirt. Put that on a t-shirt. Oh, my hand, it hurts. Oh no, what is happening? This art went from, this is kind of cute and interesting, I wonder what art supply I'll get next, to, I don't even know what's happening anymore. Oh, my hand, it cramps. No, thank you. Okay, the art must continue. We suffer for our craft. Here we go. Okay, I have to say, overall, the experience of using this tube, very painful, would not recommend, not enjoyable, but there it is. Let's move on to our last art supply. This is the Tombow Mono Knock Eraser, which I probably reviewed in my Japanese eraser video. There's our little mechanical eraser. So I guess with this, we can go through and add some shines to our penciled areas, which I already drew over there, but we can add some additional ones. So now her metallic legs and arms just look very shiny. Oh my gosh, is this it? What an interesting project this was. Wow, look at that. We sure did it. So here is our finished piece of using our art supplies as we grab them out of the box. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but this was a really fun and interesting challenge. But I do have to say, out of curiosity, I want to see if I can create some sort of interesting abstract piece with these materials, since they do seem to be a little bit more on the abstract side. So here is a very quick montage of that. Okay, I'll be honest, I don't know what this is, but it's fun, it's cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this strange video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay golden. Bye.